Communication skills are the key to success. How many of you say yes? Well, I would say that communication exists every day in each one's life, in each profession. But most of us fail to communicate effectively. The reason is we do not choose the right word or the right tonality. Rather, we beat around the bush and land up with a messy talk. Well, my name is Anuradha Shri and I'm your coach for career communication. In this video, I'm going to give you 7 simple elements to make your communication effectively or you to be an effective speaker. Most of us say that I'm not able to get connected with people. I'm not able to convey the message the way I want it. So here in this video, the simple elements what I'm going to give you will help you with your practice. Before that, I request you to kindly like it, share it, and comment it. And please not forget to subscribe my channel. Tip number 1, be a good listener. Of course, we all are good listeners. I don't deny it. But we listen to reply, not to understand. Possess a skill of listening to understand, and also be a good observer to understand the message. Later, you can decide the right words or the right tone to convey the message, and there your communication becomes effective. Tip number 2, focus on nonverbal communication. This includes the facial expression, eye contact, the tone, the pitch of the voice, the gestures that displays through your body language, and the physical distance between the communicators. The non-verbal communication can give you clues and additional information and meaning more than the spoken communication or the verbal language. Tip number 3, be clear. You know something? The winner of the business competition is always whosoever communication is clear. It could be with your colleague, it could be with your boss, it could be with your friends, or it could also be with your customer. Your ability to get what you want hinges on how well you tell or how well you write. Before you start your conversation, ask yourself, what am I going to accomplish in this? Even if someone else initiate the conversation, ask yourself, why is this conversation going on, or what is this conversation going on? Because focusing or understanding on the question of why allows you to avoid side issues and rat holes. Tip number 4, be concise. Use fewer and well chosen words to convey your message. Plan before you speak. This will help you to convey the right message or the important ideas rather beating around the bush. Imagine if you were given few minutes to talk and if you want to squeeze your talk, choose the right word. You know which one to be included and which one to delete out. At the same time, know your audience. This will help you to determine how much of explanation you can give or how you can cut corners. I mean to say, start your conversation with your main ideas. Give the audience the main headlines of what you want to say. Tip number 5, be confident. Communicating with confidence is an important life skill. Being assertive in communication or in conversating with others helps you to get what you want and stand up for yourself and your values. Projecting confidence in yourself and your ideas makes others to pay attention. Tip number 6, be personable. A friendly tone and a smile can take you a long way. Being personable is a leadership strength who values people the way they are. They ask questions and make people to speak, and they encourage people to pour out their problems and the pains because they show lots of empathy. Last but not the least, tip number 7, be patient. Be composed and not rushing up of conveying your message. Someone who has patience has the ability to listen and to deliver the message the way it has to be. I hope these 7 tips would be helpful to make your communication more effective or the way you wish to get connected. Try these tips. I hope this would be really helpful to you. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let me come with another episode. Until then, it's your Anuradha Shrey, your career communication coach, signing off. Bye bye. See you. God bless you.